If you're trying to set up an automatic forwarding option inside of your Outlook, you can easily do it within a few clicks. So what you need to do is head over to the settings option, which you should be able to see on the top right. From the settings, click on mail, and here you'll see the option called forwarding. By default, it would be turned off. Just toggle this option on, and here you need to add in the email where you want to forward any emails. So add in your desired email address. If you want, you can also check this option. This way, a copy will also be saved to this particular email. Once you add it in your email, click on save. And that's it. Your forwarding now has been enabled. Whenever you receive an email on this particular email address, it would be forwarded to a different one, which is the one that you just added in. Whenever you don't want this option anymore, you can just toggle this option off and then click on save again. I hope this tutorial helped you out. Don't forget to check out other videos on this channel for more tutorial videos just like this. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next video.